Hey guys, it's me Mercy and welcome to my channel. So before we get started, I want to make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button down below. So this is a clothing haul video and everything is either from Aliexpress or Wish, and as much as I love those two stores because of how cheap a lot of things are, there are also a couple of downsides. So one, there's a good chance that what you receive isn't actually what you ordered. And two, there's also a long wait time to receive the things you ordered. So my tips to avoiding that first problem is to one, make sure what you want actually has reviews, because good or bad, those reviews are other customers' experiences, which helps you make a good informed decision. And a little secret, if what you ordered doesn't have reviews, I can bet you there's the exact same item somewhere being sold by a different vendor that has reviews. Two, actually read those reviews, because that's how you will get that information to make an informed decision. Information like whether something runs big or small, whether something is see-through and it's like you can't tell that from the picture that's presented. Just information that you would need to know before you actually buy something. And three, for me personally, I focus on reviews with pictures, just so I can just straight up see for myself what they got, and you know, it's either a hit or miss. Like, nothing else needs to be explained. So I'll be starting with my things from Aliexpress, just because there's less to go through. First, I got some sunglasses. Got a red pair and a yellow pair. And yeah, these are the ones for my sunflower photo shoot, if you guys follow me on Instagram. And these are $3 a piece. So next I have this red shirt that is so cute. I'll also be trying these things on for you guys so you can see. But yeah, this is the kind of thing that you need to iron before you go out, unless you like looking like you don't really care about your appearance, but I personally iron it each time. This yellow dress. It is a halter. It is cotton material, and it is the one for my sunflower photo shoot as well. I absolutely love this dress. And I have this orange dress, similar to the yellow dress, but instead of cotton, it's polyester, so it has more of a stretch to it. And yeah, I don't know, I noticed that I need a lot of more brights in my closet, so that's why I got these. And that's all of my things from Aliexpress. And from Wish, I got this jean jacket. Once again, my sunflower field photo shoot. I don't know, I got this. I honestly didn't have a jean jacket and I like the designs, so that's why I got it. Guns N' Roses top. Love this top so much. It's just, you can dress it up or down. Like, I can literally throw this on, go to class after, like, and then later on in the night change my pants and go out. Like, it's an all-day kind of top. Okay. Some workout leggings, gym pants. It's just, I'm a gym attender, I guess, and I don't know, it's always fun to go to the gym in different outfits, so I decided to get a new pair of pants. I have this windbreaker that is honestly so cute. It's thinner than I expected, and it's not waterproof. Like, it literally is just like a fashion windbreaker, but no complaints. another pair of workout leggings. You guys can see. Yeah, it's just like the more, I don't know, I feel like if you have stuff to look cute at the gym for, then like, excuse me, if you have stuff to look cute at the gym in, then it's just, okay, I can go work out. Like, it's just easier to go to the gym. Okay. I have these button-up pants that I'm just in love with. By button up, I mean like the sides just, yeah. I want to get another pair, or what I should have gotten, my first pair should have been just like the regular black, but I decided to be bold and got a colorful pair. So I don't know, I need a black pair because black goes with anything and everything. I have these two tube tops, and this is honestly my least favorite purchases, just because I guess they're big on me, and you guys will see that when I show you me trying them on. Yeah, they just don't fit how I like I would want them to fit. I'm considering like fixing it myself, but I don't know if I want to go through all that trouble. Yeah, we'll see. Okay. I have this top that is also so cute. It ties in the front. Another one of those tops that you need to iron before you go out. Unless, like I said, you like looking like you don't care about your appearance, but that's not me. Yeah. My friend said that I look like I'm a picnic table when I wear this on, but I'm a cute picnic table, so it's okay. Next is, okay, this black dress, and it's like a cross back. I don't know, this is so long that I'm considering and probably will end up cutting it, because I don't need this much string. This is too much, and it's stretchy too, like it has a stretch to it, so I really don't need that much. But I have this dress, and what I'm actually gonna do is, because I got sent a second dress, so this is extra small, but you'll see how it fits me. This is extra small. The terms of the giveaway, obviously subscribe. That's the first thing. Obviously you gotta subscribe to my channel. You gotta like this video. That's it. Just, okay, no, subscribe, like, and then once those two things are done, comment done under this video. You literally have to do 1, 2, I can't count. You literally have to do all 3 things to be qualified in this giveaway. Yeah, we'll see who wins. Next and last is this 2-set piece that I got. Yes, it's a Fashion Nova dupe, but I did not pay Fashion Nova money. Yeah, literally when I wore this, everyone thought I got it from Fashion Nova. Did I tell them that I got it from Wish? Nope. So I literally got everything that I showed you guys for $118. That's 13 things for $118. Like, you can look good for cheap. You don't have to be blowing bread. You really don't have to be blowing bread to look good. So I hope you guys keep in mind those 3 tips, if you do decide to shop on stores like Aliexpress and Wish and all of them little stores out there like that. I recommend it. Like I said, you gotta be mindful though. Like that's just it. And of course the giveaway. Don't forget. If you're a dude watching, you get this for your girl. If you're a girl watching, get it for yourself. Get it for a friend. Keep in mind Christmas is coming up, so this is just a free present right there. Like, yeah. And like I said, all you guys gotta do is just subscribe, like, and comment, letting me know that you did those two things. And that's all. And I'll see you guys soon.